equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this detailed guide, we will walk you through the process of replacing the screen on your HP Flex laptop. This task requires some specific tools and a bit of patience, but with our step-by-step instructions, you'll be able to do it yourself. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a microfiber cloth for cleaning. Make sure you have a replacement screen that is compatible with your HP Flex model. Begin by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. It's crucial to ensure your device is completely turned off to avoid any electrical issues. Next, remove the battery if your model allows it. This step is essential for safety. Now, locate the screws on the back panel of your laptop. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the back panel using the plastic spudger. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. It's a good idea to clean the interior with a microfiber cloth to remove any dust or debris. This will help maintain the performance of your laptop after the repair. Next, locate the screen connector. This is usually a ribbon cable that connects the screen to the motherboard. Carefully disconnect this cable by lifting the connector latch. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always seek help. Now, you can remove the old screen. There are typically screws securing the screen to the hinges. Remove these screws and gently lift the screen away from the laptop. Be cautious, as the screen may still be connected by a few cables. Disconnect these cables carefully. Once the old screen is removed, take your new screen and connect it to the same cables you just disconnected. Ensure that the connections are secure and that the screen is properly aligned with the hinges. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help. After connecting the new screen, reattach the screws to secure it in place. Then, reconnect the screen cable to the motherboard, ensuring it is firmly in place. If you need a quote before repair, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Now, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Place the back panel back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightly fitted to avoid any rattling or movement. Finally, reinsert the battery if applicable, and power on your laptop. Check to see if the new screen is functioning correctly. If everything looks good, you've successfully replaced your HP Flex screen. If you encounter any issues, remember, no calls, no travel. We are here to assist you with any problems you might face. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.